This tutorial will complete the eCommerce Setup Essentials series. Here, we'll help you manage your tax strategy more efficiently and optimize the checkout experience on your website. Let's start with the taxes. Add a new tax rate by entering the location information and assigning a rate. Enable the postal code ranges to automatically authorize the same tax rate for the chosen range. And last but not least, move to Checkouts to set up the buyer conditions. Let your customer check out as a guest or allow registered users only. Move to Customer Settings to authorize customers to check out either via email or phone numbers. Enable shipping updates so that your customers can track the order fulfillment status. Ask for permission to send marketing or promotional emails to your customers, or enable the option by default. Turn on the Abandoned Checkout Recovery and set the best timing for the follow-up email. Now that's a wrap. You've mastered the key parts of setting up your online store and are ready to create your products and services, design your storefront, and officially launch your project. In the upcoming tutorial series, you'll learn everything you need to know about products, categories, attributes, and more. Stay tuned. Questions? We're just a click away, 24/7.